Good afternoon everyone. I, Bushra Fatima of grade 9. Today I am going to explain a species of plant, Mimosa Pudica. It is a type of plant, touch me not plant. Whenever I see the plant around me like touch me not plant, I wonder why it will close its leaf like this. If I touch it, it will close its leaf. So by taking the help of my science teacher, I understand that touch me not plant close its leaf because for the self defense mechanism, like if we touch it, it responds to the stimuli and close its leaf. Like no foreign particle should enter in the leaf and harm it, like insects, dust particle. That's why the Mimosa Pudica, not only Mimosa Pudica, but the touch me not plants will close its leaf just to protect themselves from the foreign particles and insects. Thank you.